Hello guys, welcome to the Saturday trade recap and forecast. So I was busy last week, I was traveling. I did not get the time to film the forecast, so I will be doing it right now. Let's get into it. So this is EU. I did take a trade on it right here. Why did I take a trade here? Well, because what I was seeing, okay, 12 pip stop loss. I was seeing this ascending structure right here, ascending channel. And I know the euro pairs can often impulse in the same direction as the ascending and start trending. What I also saw is a nice trend form here, no real shift in the pullbacks, and then we have this candle clean close. So I was happy to place my buy limit and I got taken out for a 1% loss. So again, this trade was a loss. Would I take it again? Well, I don't think so. I mean, hindsight, of course, hindsight is always, we're gonna find a lot of mistakes with the trade, but to be honest, the momentum here was just not that strong. So in the future, I would like to see more momentum in this sort of a trend. So yeah, not such a good trade, but again, what you're gonna do? It was a 1% loss, so we just gotta keep on moving. And also the spreads took me out for even a 2% loss in the end because there was some sort of a news candle here. The spreads extended and yeah, this was actually a 2% loss instead of a 1%. But again, it's part of the game. The spreads can widen, the stop loss can take us out for more than we risked. It's all a part of trading, but that's why we have a trading edge so that we can on a large enough sample size be profitable, of course. So let's move on. Then what happened? No flag here. Here, would I take a trade if a flag formed? No, not really. Prior price action, kind of crap prior price action. Yeah, so this was just kind of range bound. Then we have this slowdown, large double wicks, momentum shifting back up. So even if a valid flag formed here, I would not have taken it. Okay, so no other trades on EU except that one, so just the 1% loss. Current price action kind of range bound again. This ascending into a descending, so I'm not really seeing much potential with EU currently. EJ, kind of range bound as well. I was looking for a reversal, so right about here I was looking to sell because we kind of ascended into this upper liquidity area, but I did not get an opportunity to get in the market, and then we moved down a little bit and then we just kind of started ranging around. But I was very excited, not excited, but I was very active on the charts when we started to descend right here. We just kept breaking the lows with wicks and we kept struggling. So this was a very good descending channel and I definitely expected a nice reversal setup. So unfortunately, we did not get an opportunity to enter on any sort of a reversal. I was 100% looking for a flag here or some sort of a break and a retest or maybe a slow descending pullback to my entry. But again, unfortunately, no opportunity presented. Okay, then we continued up, started ascending, then we broke the high, broke the low, as you can see. So these lines mark the most recent high or low breaks. That's what they do. And you can see we broke the high, then we broke the low. You don't want to see something like that if you're a trend trader. If you're a trend trader, you want to see only the highs being broken consecutively. You do not want to see the highs broken and then the lows broken as well. So right here, I'm expecting more range bound price action and I'm just looking for momentum up or momentum down. So yeah, I'm just expecting something like this, to be honest. Okay, then we have the Aussie and the US dollar. This pair was trending definitely. But first, let's see. So last Wednesday was here, and then we just kind of ranged around. Nothing much. Then we started descending and then we finally reversed up. I was 100% willing to take a flag here. Unfortunately, a flag did not form, so no opportunity to get in. I did have my order on to buy right here. So a buy limit, break and retest, prior price action descending, and then an established trend to the upside. So that was very interesting to me. Unfortunately, again, I was not tagged in, and then we reverse down. Right now seeing a bit of a V reversal, so I'm expecting a range and a push to the downside. So on Monday I will be seeing if maybe a nice downtrend starts, and then I would be looking to sell. But again, Mondays and Tuesdays predominantly range bound days, so I'm expecting more range bound price action in this general area. Let's see what happens. Again, this was a very, very nice uptrend. As a trend trader, this is exactly what I look for, this nice uptrend. No momentum shift in the pullbacks, so this was looking really, really nice. Unfortunately, no entry presented itself. Okay, Aussie Japanese yen. So last Wednesday around here, downtrend. I believe this was not a valid flag on my data. Yeah, so this is not a flag formation because there is no counter trend move right here. So yeah, not a valid flag. Would I have taken it? Well, I most likely would have taken it if it was a valid flag. Then we pushed up, ranged around, descended, kind of ranged as well. So this is just, to be honest, a flat range. Nothing much, but then we started trending to the upside, and I was definitely looking to get in on a flag right here. Unfortunately, a flag did not form. Then we continued. Did I have my order on here? No, there was a clear momentum shift in this red candle. Usually when you get a push and then momentum shifts, the first candle that breaks usually retraces. So I did not want to risk it on this particular example. If there was no momentum shift here, if that was just like a small red candle and then this break with a clean close, I would have taken this trade. So this one did not fit my plan, and then price continued, so it would not have even tagged me in this trade. And then we broke the low, retrace. So right now, seeing a bit of a topping structure right here. I'm expecting more range-bound price action. Again, Mondays and Tuesdays predominantly range-bound days. So let's wait for a large impulse up or a large impulse to the downside on the Aussie and the Japanese yen. Okay, the pound was looking very, very extremely interesting, to be honest. So from the last Wednesday, it has just been descending again. Take a look at or pay attention to these most recent high or low breaks. In this case, the most recent low breaks. Pay attention that they're being broken consecutively and the price is just struggling to push down. So there is absolutely zero momentum to the downside. After this price action, I am definitely expecting a nice reversal trade. I'm expecting a nice uptrend to start, something like this. Again, I was looking to get in on a break and retest right here, but it did not happen. I wanted to see a nice strong break to the upside like this. Instead, we just kind of broke with weakness and got a really small break. So this one did not fit my plan. Then momentum even shifted to the downside. And now we're seeing another large red candle, another shift. Was he looking to get in on a buy setup here? No. Again, clear slowdown here, clear bearish pressure. Not really breaking with momentum, especially on the pound. I want to see some large, nice momentum. This was not nice, large momentum. This was kind of even ascending, you can say. So this one just did not fit my plan. I want to see cleaner price action, but I'm still definitely very interested for an uptrend to start. If any sort of uptrend starts, I will be very, very interested to get in. Because after such a clean descending, I'm expecting there will be some nice momentum to the upside. There will be a nice uptrend. As you can see, price was just barely moving down with huge amounts of weakness to the downside. Okay, so on the pound, overall, definitely descending, definitely looking nice. When you zoom in, this ain't looking that good. So this is not showing much promise. But again, that can change in just a couple of hours. I would wait to see if we get some nice momentum, and then I would be looking to buy because of this descending channel. Okay, then we have the New Zealand and the Japanese yen. This is the last one. Wednesday was around here. From there, a bit of momentum, but then just kind of flat, ranging around in this general area. And then we pushed up again. retraced, broke the high, broke the low as well, so that was not a good sign. NJ I wasn't really paying that much attention to. Again, nothing high probability formed, no ascending or descending channels, no clear trending price action, just kind of struggling and correctively moving to the upside. So yeah, no potential for me personally on NJ. Current price action showing a bit of a V. It's not really a clean V reversal, but it's just sort of this not clean, more range bound price action. So what I'm expecting, to be honest, is a larger range like this. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. What I'm looking for is, as always, as a trend trader, I'm looking for momentum up or momentum to the downside. Okay, to recap, EU looks like crap. I'm not seeing any potential. EJ, range bound, I'm not seeing potential. AU, again, currently this bearish momentum is not promising. I was seeing a nice uptrend here, but now it's kind of all gone. AJ, same as AU. Again, I want to see a nice trend start, such as we had here. This was a really, really nice uptrend. Okay, pound, promise. Okay, pound is looking very descending. It's a definite slowdown. I'm expecting a nice, just a second, I'm expecting a nice uptrend to start like this. Okay, NJ, nothing. It's currently not seeing much on NJ, just correctively moving up. I want to see more momentum. I want to see a strong uptrend or a strong downtrend. So that's it. See you guys this Wednesday. Let's see if we get some moves. Just keep in mind Mondays and Tuesdays predominantly range bound days. You do not want to be risking a trade on a Monday or a Tuesday if you see any warning signs. So warning signs plus a Monday or Tuesday, usually you do not want to be in that price action. Later part of the week, like Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, you can tolerate some warning signs. Okay, watch for the pound. It may give us a nice uptrend, and see you guys in the next video.